Hello and welcome to Mural Dreams by Laura. This video is sponsored by Beebeecraft, and if you are a YouTuber with more than 100 subscribers and are interested to get free products from Beebeecraft, which range from beads, jewelry, crafts, stamps, stickers, journaling supplies, so really a variety of things, check the link in the description that tells you where to go to join their YouTube program. So today I'm showing you what I chose from their myriad of art and craft supplies. Materials for journaling mostly and marker art. So the first thing is this set of 10 metallic markers. There is a nice variety of colors and I look forward to trying them on some black paper. Then we have a set of 5 golden Flower of Life stickers. I imagine them being a tad larger, but they are cute anyway. They will make a great addition to a journal cover or as part of an artwork. Then I found this super cute set of space-themed washi tapes. They are a combination of black or white with silver or gold, and they are simply adorable. They are also my very first washi tapes and I love them all, and I already know what I'll use them for. I got the inspiration for this from my YouTuber friend Anna B, and I thank her for the inspiration. After this video, check out her art channel for self-development and I think you will like it. Also, my friend Marissa from Wet Paint Contemporary does Beebeecraft unboxings as well and cool arts and crafts with the supplies. Check out her channel as well. I will be using these supplies to start bullet journaling as a mindful intention to be more organized in my life. And next week I will show you how I start a bullet journal using these supplies. And later I'll probably do some other kind of space-themed art with them too. And I hope you've enjoyed this and I thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Cheers!